let's talk about how digital freight marketplace are changing the logistics game in India. Trucking is not a small sector. It is massive and billions of rupees move every day. In trucking, for years people have faced lack of transparencies, fraud, and also losses because they didn't have the right information. Welcome back to Logics by FR8, where we simplify trucking and logistics with clear and expert insights. What's a digital freight marketplace? Think of it like an Uber for trucks. Instead of calling brokers or waiting for days, shippers and truck owners connect on an app. It's digital, transparent, and much easy to use. Now, why you should care about this? Because this is how goods you order online reach to your doorstep faster and safer. And also it helps small truck owners get fair deals instead of middleman eating their profits. Now, how this is changing logistics in India? No more waiting time. Book trucks online and get tracking live. Cutting cost for big time. By using apps, you can see the nearby trucks or loads in which empty trucks are reduced so that your fuel cost and time is saved. In digital, every independent truckers get access to tech and customers, which was once only available for big companies. AI and smart data picks the best routes for trucks, making deliveries more faster. So why this matters for our India's economy? From textile industries of Tirupur and steel industries of Jamshedpur moves on roads. In fact, India's freight travels by truck for 85%. For years, trucking have faced problems like middleman charging, unfair rates, frauds in payments, empty return trip, lack of trust between shipper and truckers. If we fix these inefficiencies, the impact on GDP is massive. Logistics already contributes 14% of India's GDP. India's logistics cost can cut around 2 to 4%. That is 5 to 6 lakh crores every year. That money can fuel factories, jobs, exports, and infrastructure. So improving trucking industry doesn't only benefit transporters, but the whole India's economy. How many people are using digital freight today? As we represent an online truck booking company, our insights can help you understand better about why it is important for bringing trucking online in 2025. India has lakhs of manufacturers and shippers, FMCG companies, automobile companies, textile industries, and much more. But only a fraction of people use digital apps. At FR8 alone, 50,000 plus shippers book truck online. 1 lakh truck owners or drivers use the app to search for loads. Now compare this with the industry. India has around 12 million truck owners on road. Only a small percentage of people are active on digital platforms. This means the growth potential is huge. Just like UPI, how it started small but it plays an important role in everyone's daily life. The power of adoption. Remember how we used to buy groceries earlier? You have to go to the store, wait, bargain, and carry a bag home. But today's app like Swiggy, Zepto, Blinkit brings everything in minutes, saving hours of your effort. The same shift is happening to trucking industry also. Earlier, call 10 brokers, negotiate, and wait for hours for update. But now, open your mobile app, book your truck, and just wait for your information to arrive. But now, book your truck in minutes on your phone with pricing, tracking, billing, everything. Let's be honest. One of the biggest reasons people hesitate to book truck online is fraud. And the truth is, fraud is very common in the logistics industry because we are dealing with big amount of money and a bulk load of valuable shipments. You book a truck from a broker, you blindly trust him, but if he doesn't pick your call, loss is yours. With just a flight mode on their phone can make you a loss of lakhs worth of shipments with delays to your customer and also bad review in your business. We have also seen cases where truck owners repaints their truck or even forges his documents. Some smuggle part loads without our knowledge and get caught in RTO or something. Our lakh worth of shipments goes in a huge risk with money and also time. I am telling you, online platforms can prevent all these difficulties, but we can have a track for a certain length. Online platforms make things far more secure than the old system. First is document verification. Truck owners, drivers, vehicles, everyone's document is verified through government portals. Any fake documents are caught earlier, like GST, Aadhaar, RC, and PAN. Second is fast track tracking. Every trip is tracked in real time. If the truck stops for a longer time, an alert message goes to the shipper and also on the app. Rescue support. Unlike individual brokers, digital companies have far more contacts across India. If something goes wrong, they will coordinate with the local police or even send their rescue team to check up with your truck. Wide network of contact is an advantage in digital platforms because they operate pan-India and also have state-wise contacts with their branches. Digital records is very important in 2025. Every shipment details, payments is logged in their apps. This creates the trail for their accountability if something goes missing, unlike old traditions. In the offline system, if your broker's phone goes off, you lose lakhs. But in the online system, if the call goes off, you can at least track, use data, and secure your goods as soon as possible. Once you try digital freight, you will never go back. Just like we started using UPI and online food delivery apps. Because digital freight is the next game. Digital freight marketplace, it's more than just an app. It saves time, gets you more profit, cuts fraud, and also helps India grow its GDP. The question is, if we can adapt Swiggy and Zepto for food, why not digital freight for trucks? Going digital is the only way to fix and bring fairness and trust in this system.